Hi everyone in Bill Welt Academy. This is Fancy, as you all know, bringing you the edition of a tour of my spa clinic that I promise you guys I will do. I have to give all the thanks to Bill Welt Academy for helping me achieving my goals in my new and beautiful expansion. As you guys could see, if it was not for Bill Welt Academy, this would not have happened just yet. So guess what, guys? Come along with me and take this amazing tour throughout my wellness recovery center. Thank you. All right. So guys, today I want to just give you guys a walkthrough of this amazing treatment room. This is actually like a recovery room. It's a wellness room for all the recovery stuff happen, pain relief, all of that neuromuscular, Rolfing, all of that amazing stuff happen. This is the room for it. This expansion is amazing, guys. You guys are gonna be pretty much impressed by everything that we've done here. Come on with me, guys, to this amazing room right here. It is the room where the colonic cleanse happening. Colonic hydrotherapy. This is amazing. As you all know, our gut health is very important. So this is our new edition colonic therapy dome. It's amazing. Thank you again, Bill Welt Academy. Come on with me. Here I am, guys, in this amazing room where all the nurses perform their IV recovery treatment. They also provide vitamin shots, all the recovery via IV. This is the room for it. An amazing compression therapy over here for people with lymphatic issue, lymphedema, and so on. That's amazing. Love it. And then, guys, welcome to the Havens, right? Where all the great, amazing things are happening. This is my Havens, guys. I'm loving this room. This is light therapy. We have different lights that people could choose from. This is amazing. Just take a look at the beautiful opportunity that Bill Welt Academy gave to me. Julia Saganti is the GOAT at this. I am so thrilled. It's an amazing journey, and now I'm able to have my full recovery center, guys. It's amazing. Come on. There's two domes. Then these are the amazing muscle recovery domes, guys. It has ozone in it. It's amazing. This facility goes on and on. I have another room over there which is unfinished. It's gonna be amazing when it's done. It's an amazing room for my estheticians and so on. This is amazing. Also, I have my beautiful, amazing break room over here, full kitchen area where we come to take a break and have something amazing to eat. Here we could provide all the things also for the clients as well. Water, we could provide, fresh drink for the clients as well. Thank you again. I am so excited. Thank you again, Julia Saganti, for bringing this great opportunity to me where I was able to get funding, get my credit sorted out so I could get funded to do my expansion. This is amazing, guys. I trust and believe me, if you stick with Julia Saganti and his team, he will get you where you want to be. Thanks again. This is Fancy. Bye, guys.